Kasi,
my favorite now because before I hated it. Which one first? A.
now I like it.
Okay, first one. Wait up. Sure? 3, 2, 1. It's so cute. I was Junior. No. Sunset? Look. Rainbow sun.
Oh.
Rainbow sun.
Okay, show the face of Rainbow Sun.
Rainbow sun.
Show it.
The cheeky China. Cheeky China. Look, it even has go. I wish I bought it. I will bring this gift now.
Okay, sige. Next.
I
The
would
next.
never ever
The next,
buy.
baby.
Okay, next one.
Next.
Want to put it there? I will put it because it's here as a trap. Oh, I'll just
Okay,
hold it.
sige.
Let's hold it. What's its name? What's its name? Yay! What's the name? Come on, go.
Rainbow Sun.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. You're so sad. We're gonna make Chika Junior. Stop calling me Chika and
Oh, no, no, careful.
Sorry, Kaalo. This is my last one, yeah. Wait up. Here. That's the biggest. The bubble. Chika is Are you wondering, is this my last one? Yes. Oh my God, Chika, you don't need help. She doesn't. She is a queen. Okay. I am the queen of saying no. Can they play? Okay. Lama.
Okay,
What?
Oh, ati-ati help.
No.
Sige, sige. Here we are again in the frustrating unboxing.
I'm helping you, girl. Wait up. A little ad because it's gonna take long. Guys, see you later because we're gonna go buy another one.
Because grandma.
Our grandma is giving us a Christmas gift, early Christmas gift, and we can go anywhere. I'll get another blind box. See you next time.
Okay.
Lama. I think we'll try something. Okay, another ad. Lama.
Oh, how many ads again? Oh my God.
Chama.
There we go. If Chika will open, it takes forever.
Ate Kyrie will help her. Oh my gosh, it's opening! Did you break it?
Yeah.
No. How do they break?
Oh my God.
Here. Scammer. got scissors.
Oh, we got scissors.
Yay! Yeah, Daddy, what one? Careful! We love you, scissors. We love you. We will owe you. Oh! Careful, careful!
Careful.
Easy for Daddy. Careful, Daddy. Good. May.
The other side.
What's that? Daddy, have to do the other side. It's open.
No, the other side.
Wait.
Okay, good. Okay,
You
chicken.
can return it now. Leave up this for box.
You have to here na lang. And careful because this is headphone.
Sige, sige.
Okay, get it! Get oh, okay. So bad. So bad at this. No!
Okay, do you want to request another chica? It's frustrating.
Not the trick guys frustrating video. Skip on to Ayuna. This must be a skip on. Damn. Oh, damn, Daddy, damn. Poster! Yeah, another poster. You want help?
So it shows
Ano? So it has art says 8 jumbo markers and 5 mentors.
Letters,
Color
color,
street row.
Okay, show it, Mimi.
And I'm going to pop out the markers for you, or you do it? No, I want to do it. No, can you just hold it?
They are waiting for this. Show them to satisfy them.
Yeah, then we put the. I'll get this row. No, it's mine. Hey,
Ah, okay, si Chika lang, si Chika lang.
Because I look up to. You want help? You sure you don't? Because this is taking it 10 hours. Huh?
10 hours
I
later,
can't hear you.
finally.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you for all this. What's
Oh, God. Oh my God.
so I have? Four more markers to go.
Okay, four.
You can literally count it here. I can literally not count it there.
Okay, good.
Or it's my favorite, so I'm going to. You have to go to church. I don't care because I don't want to go to church, but that's bad.
Okay.
Okay, where's the red? I got hurt in the process, girl. You better be thankful. No, I'm not thankful.
Okay. Success, finally.
Open the row thingy so they can show them. No! Okay. Ito lang.
Later na lang. Bye, guys. Bye na. Bye na.
No! I don't want to say goodbye. First, say, roll away, guys. Get it?
Okay, roll away. Bye.
I'm gonna roll this away. I wonder how much
Okay.
pages that I have.